皆さん、こんにちは。まさきです。お帰りなさい。元気ですか？ Welcome back to the Simple Japanese Learning video. I'm so happy that you opened this video. Please enjoy learning Japanese here. This is the 9th video. Today, I will teach you about adjectives in Japanese. Please feel free to pause the video and practice or watch again as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Actually, we have learned 2 adjectives already. What do you think they were? They were these. 元気、いい、良い. I said 2 and you may think these are 3, but actually いい and 良い is the same. Both are good. And by the way, do you remember these conversations? Let's take a quick review. So this is こんにちは。こんにちは。元気ですか？元気です。元気ですか？はい。いいですね。どこに行くんですか？ちょっと買い物に。そうですか。いってらっしゃい。ありがとうございます。良い一日を。So this was like, hey, hello, how are you? Yes, I'm fine. That's good. Where are you going? I just go shopping. That's nice. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Something like this. Okay, let's focus on adjectives this time. So, in that conversation, 元気 means fine. We use like 元気です。I am fine. And it's actually 私は元気です。私は元気です。But usually we don't say 私は. And the second one was いいですね。いいですね。It's good. In complete sentence, それはいいですね。それはいいですね。It's good. And the last sentence, 良い一日を。Have a good day. 良い一日を。良い一日を。良い一日を。So, いい and 良い are the same. So, grammatically you can use いい for this sentence too. But if that, it will be いい一日を. So, it's easier to recognize when we say 良い一日を. So, I think we usually use that. Okay, so for Japanese adjectives, you can talk using only adjectives with des, because we often omit the subject from a sentence if it's clear. And in the last video, which I took when I went to the Matsumoto castle to see the projection mapping, I said すげえ and 面白い many times. すげえ equals to すごい. It means awesome, nice, great, or amazing. And 面白い 面白い it means interesting. I used it many times. すげえ面白いね。So, don't hesitate to use adjectives in Japanese. Now, I'm going to show and read 10 adjectives. Then we will take a look at details of each adjective. But first, please note the word とても, which means very, so that you can add extra feeling. とても, とても. So, it will be exciting. So, let's take a look. 元気 fine. いい 良い good. すごい awesome, amazing. 面白い interesting, funny. おいしい tasty. 楽しい fun. 嬉しい glad, happy. 簡単 easy. 難しい difficult. やばい terrible or good. Let's take a look at details. So first, 元気 fine. 元気. So we use this as greetings, like 元気ですか? And another example, 今日は元気ですか? It means, how are you today? 今日は元気ですか? 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 So, 今日 means today. 元気ですか means, how are you? Actually, it means, are you fine? But we say like, how are you? And answer will be, for example, とても元気です. It means, I'm so fine. I'm great. So you can just say 元気です only, but if you add とても, it means very, so I'm so fine. I'm great. とても元気です. Okay? And by the way, 今日 means today, 昨日 means yesterday, 明日 means tomorrow. 今日 today, 昨日 yesterday, 明日 tomorrow. Okay, next 次です。いい or 良い means good. Good. So for example, we say いいね, いいね. It means just good. But what's ね This means like we use it when we talk to someone. いいですね. This is also means good. Polite conversation. And this is 良い一日を. 良い一日を. I hope you remember this. This means have a good day. Next one, 良かったです. This means it was good. So 良かった is the past tense of 良い or いい. So we say like this. 良かったです. 良かった. It was good. So this is very useful words. Personally, I say this so many times. Okay. 次です。すごい awesome, amazing. すごいすごいすごい So for example, あなたはすごいです。あなたはすごいです。So what do you think? This is you are awesome. あなた you are すごいです。Awesome. Amazing. Next one, this is すご。すご。This means the same, but it can show more that you are surprised, that you are impressed. So when we want to emphasize the meaning, we skip it from this. So we just say すご。すご。So this is actually the same one, but something like this. Okay. So すごい also means very.So you can also say like すごい元気 This means also I'm so fine Same as とても元気 So すごい means very Okay 次です Next 面白い Interesting Funny 面白い面白い面白い So for example 日本語は面白いです Do you know what it means? This is Japanese is interesting 日本語 Japanese はis 面白いです interesting. Okay, you can also use this word for funny 面白い Next 次です美味しい tasty 美味しい美味しい美味しい For example 美味しいご飯美味しいご飯 tasty rice とても美味しいです It is delicious とても美味しいです So tasty. Okay, 次です楽しい fun 楽しい楽しい楽しい For example 音楽は楽しいです This is music is fun 音楽 music は is 楽しいです fun 楽しいです楽しいね次です嬉しい glad happy 嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい So for exampleとても嬉しいです。ありがとうございます。I hope you understand this. This means I'm so happy. Thank you very much. とても嬉しいです。I'm happy. ありがとうございます。Thank you very much. Okay. 次です。簡単 easy 簡単簡単簡単 For example これは簡単です。What do you think? This means this is easy. これは簡単です。これ this は is 簡単です easy これは簡単です This is easy Next 難しい difficult 難しい難しい難しい For example 難しい問題ですね This means it is a difficult question 難しい問題ですね難しい difficult 問題 question This just polite. This time here is ね So you can think about you are talking to someone using this sentence. Okay. Last one. やばい Terrible or even good. やばい So for example やばいです This means actually both. So terrible or amazing. やばいです But how about this? 時間がやばいです時間 means time. 時間がやばいです。What do you think? This is time is running out. When you notice you don't have time, you can say 時間がやばいです。時間がやばいです。時間がやばいです。Okay. Finally, let's review for today's words. First, 元気 fine. 今日は元気ですか How are you today? いい、良い good. いいね。よかったです。すごい awesome, amazing あなたはすごいです You are great すご amazing 面白い interesting, funny 日本語は面白いです。The Japanese language is interesting. 美味しい tasty. 美味しいご飯 tasty rice. とても美味しい delicious. So tasty. 楽しい fun. 音楽は楽しいです。Music is fun. 嬉しい glad, happy. とても嬉しいです。ありがとう。I'm so happy. Thank you. 簡単 easy. これは簡単です。This is easy. 簡単。難しい difficult. 難しい問題ですね。It is a difficult question. Talking to someone. 難しい問題ですね。難しい。やばい。terrible or good. やばい。時間がやばいです。Time is running out. We are running out of time. 時間がやばいです。やばい。Okay, great job. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you want to have this lesson text by Google Documents, you can download it from the description. And also, if you would like to have a personal lesson or ask me questions directly, please contact me by email. I will give you free counseling and trial lessons. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. 本当にありがとうございます。とても嬉しいです。The next video will be about pronouns in Japanese. 良い一日を。また。